Keep on doing what you do, doing what you do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, what you do, doing what you do.
Hi guys, JansCrazyLife. So I'm going to go through a tutorial on how to rip pages out of the book. Every book is going to be different because it depends on the size. So the one qualifications is that you have in this book that I made 31 days. So this book has the exact size as this one. I recommend getting a book that has a bigger, see how this one has like a 1.5 inch? I recommend getting one of those, but for this, I'm going to use this book because I've done it already and it's okay. Most people are going to get their book from the Dollar Tree. It's okay if it has a 1-inch spine. Alright, so every book is different. So one thing that you want to do is don't do math on it, right? And what I mean by that is this has, sorry if y'all hear that, my husband's playing the guitar. This has 267 pages. Well, you can't go by that because the pages are front and back. So you kind of, I mean, I guess you could if you want to do all the math in that. But I'm going to kind of show you what I do. So how I did it on the other book. And so what I did was, and it's a process, right? So you're going to go through and glue in. So these are the first pages. And what I said was you had to have 31 days, not including this first page. So this is the first step before you cover your book or anything. Let me stick a needle in here because I left my topper off my bottle, which is pretty common for me. Alright, so I'm going to take these 2 pages because you're going to make pockets, and in the end you can glue these up. We have 3 videos. They're going to be linked in the description where it talks about like troubleshooting steps or whatever. But I'm just running glue down the end of this one and on that side, and I'm going to shut that. So I'm going to start. Alright, hold on, let me let this glue in here for a minute. Alright, so I'm going to start with ripping out 5 pages. And I literally rip it out. Don't worry about a X-Acto knife. Don't worry about any of that. Just rip. That's 3, 4. And this is 5. I do them one at a time because if you try to do all 5 at once, it's not so fun. Okay, so now I'm going to take my 6th page and my 7th page and I'm going to run some glue down this. So that way there's a pocket, right? Which you can use or not use. Alright. So, I'm going to fast forward the rest of the part where I do this and then I'll come back.
We are who we are. Why don't I be me and you be you? We're spreading color around us. We're lighting up the sky, it's what we do. We shouldn't care about anyone or anything that brings us down. So come on now, let's be free. Just be yourself. Keep on doing what you do, doing what you do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, what you do, doing what you do. Do what you like, do what you like to do, do what you like, do what you like, do what you like to do. Ain't no one stopping you. Try to express yourself in your own way, and we could have some fun. No problems coming in our way. I would like you just the way you are, and you would like me just the way I am, and I would like you just the way
so I got to the end of the page and I had one extra, but you want to make sure to glue these two back pages together. So since this is my 6th page, I'm going to take this out and glue these back 2 pieces together. Here's something to remember. We need 31 days. So 31 days means you need at least 16 of these pages that we have glued together to make a little pocket, right? I'm sure I have well over that. Depending on your book, you might. If you have a smaller book, what I recommend is, you know, this one had like 267 pages. So if you have a smaller one, don't rip 5 pages with 4. But let's do the math. So we have, and I know I need to keep, I'm going to keep 17, right? Because half of 30 is 15. So to get 31 pages, you need, of course, 16. But just to be on the safe side, I'm going to keep 17. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold on, let's do the math right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So we know that I need to rip out 1, 2, 3, 4. Only 4 pockets, okay? So I want to keep the front and the back, right? So I'm going to rip, I need to take 4 out to give me 17. So I'm just going to randomly pick 4 of these little pockets that I just made. That's 1. Don't worry about all this because you can cover this up a washi, but you kind of want to be careful when you're ripping this out. You can pull like little pieces out, and as you're decorating, you'll see, but you kind of want to be careful because like this book is the worst, that by ripping out some of this, it might rip out some of your pages. On the live I did with Tina, her page came out, which isn't the end of the world. Just take some box tape and glue it right back in if that happens. So I just taken some scissors and kind of trimming this up a little bit, which you could do. And I just put glue all over this and washi tape it up. You don't even see it, but you kind of need this bulk. This bulk in between these pages are going to help you. It's going to help you with making one of these books in the end. Alright, so we needed 3 more. Let's take out this page. I'm going to start ripping. For some reason, the bottom of the book rips a lot easier than the top. So that's 2. We need 2 more. Let's go here. And I'm going to start from the bottom because, like I was saying, on this book, the bottom seems to be working a lot better. And then we need 1 more, and I'm just looking down here to see if there's more bulk in one place. So I think we're gonna go right here, and I'm gonna be careful not to pull up more than I need to. Alright, so there is my 4th page. I'm gonna cut some of this bulk out. And pull some by hand, but it's kind of sewn in, so you have to be careful. You don't want to make the whole book unravel, right? So I am just trying to cut it down, get it to where it's a little more manageable. Alright, and then pull out. Alright, so let's do the math on this really quickly. Because we needed 17 pages. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Because with that being front and back, you have your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, and 31, and then an extra page for good measure, if that makes sense. So that's how we do ripping. So I'm gonna do another video where I'm gonna show, and I know we did it on the live, but just for the people that didn't want to watch it, I'm going to stop this video and then I'm gonna record how I put fabric on the cover. So I hope that this was helpful. Subscribe if you haven't already, because the best is yet to come. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.
Doing what you do.